You know why relationships or friendship nowadays feel like they suck? Because one mistake, one bad day, even one misunderstood word, and suddenly, you're not the good person they used to praise. All your efforts, all the times you showed up, all the love you gave, forgotten, erased, replaced. We live in a world where nobody wants to sit down and ask, why did this happen? Where did this mistake come from? How do we fix it together? Instead, people just walk away. One flaw becomes bigger than your entire character. And in that moment, it's like everything you are gets reduced to that one mistake. Isn't it crazy? There was a time when love meant understanding and patience, a willingness to fight through the storms and come out stronger on the other side. Love was about staying, especially when things got messy. Now, it feels like love is just a matter of convenience. Perfection is the price of admission, and if you fall short, you are simply replaced. There is no forgiveness, no fixing, only forgetting. Ask yourself this. How many times have you felt judged for one mistake? How many times have you wished someone saw you, the real you, instead of that one flaw? How many times have you wanted someone to stay, fight, and heal with you, but instead they just walked away? So the next time someone makes a mistake, remember, fixing is always more powerful than replacing. Love is not about convenience. Love is about staying. Love is about choosing each other again and again, even when it's hard, especially when it's hard. If this hit home for you, don't forget to share it with someone who needs to hear it. And let me know in the comments, do you believe love today is about understanding, or has it become just convenience?